how to use CapCut Pro for free. Want to unlock CapCut Pro features without paying? Let's explore safe tricks and alternatives. So step 1, use the free trial. CapCut offers a 7-day free trial of Pro. Activate it, explore premium filters, then cancel before renewal to avoid charges. Step 2, maximize free tools. CapCut already includes keyframes, overlays, masks, chroma key, blur, and zoom all for free. Try CapCut Desktop. So on Windows, you'll find advanced editing features that feel like Pro but free. So export without watermark. Unlike other editors, CapCut lets you save clean videos even on the free plan. And that is how to use CapCut Pro for free.